Welcome to Techmas 2021. As you know, the theme of this year's Techmas is Canvas New Quizzes. Some of you have already created new quizzes, while others have not. On the first day, we're going to create a new quiz. So if you've already done one, hopefully this will serve as a good review, and if you haven't, hopefully we'll help introduce you to the topic of new quizzes. To create a new quiz, you're going to navigate to the Quizzes index in the course navigation. You're going to click there. The quiz index itself will load. You're going to click the plus quiz button in the upper right-hand corner. Then you should see a pop-up that appears like this. If you don't see this, either one of two things have already happened. Either you're defaulting to new quizzes already, which is great, or you're defaulting to classic quizzes. If you're defaulting to classic quizzes, there are instructions in the written portion of today's Techmas information about how to reset your quiz engine. So please follow those to do that. And you'll know if that's the case right away because you won't see the next screen that I'm going to see. So if this does pop up, go ahead and select new quizzes right here. And then remember this choice for the future. This sets new quizzes as the default and will hopefully set you up for the next year, year and a half as the transition to new quizzes completes its journey. I'm going to click submit right here. Once I do that, it will take just a moment and the beginning of the build screen will load. Notice right here I have to provide the quiz name. It does say assignment name, but this is a new quiz, so I'm going to call this my first new quiz. And maybe it isn't your first new quiz, but I'm just going to call it that. You can call it whatever you would like. I'm going to make my quiz worth 11 points because over the next 12 days, we will build 11 different questions. You can choose an assignment grouping. I'm going to place mine in my quiz assignment grouping. Assuming I can find that, there it is. I can choose how I want to display the grade. You should not alter the submission type and should not be able to alter the submission type. You can choose if you want to sync to Skyward. You can choose how you're going to assign this and who you're going to assign it to. I'm going to give this a due date of the last day of Techmas, which I believe is December 14th. And I will make it available until December 14th at 11:59 p.m. And I will make it available from November 29th, which I believe is the first day of Techmas. And then I'm going to select Build in the lower right-hand corner. And once you've done that, it will take just a moment, and you will be taken to the new quiz that you just created. This is what you have to submit for the first day. You simply have to take a screenshot of this and submit the new quiz that you created, and you will have a complete first day's challenge. Thanks for participating in the first day of Techmas.